So here it is. It's finished. And I'll trim this up, all this little stuff, but who cares about that? I mean, it's natural. So now, what I'm going to do is make the Greek knot I want to show you. I've showed in other videos. So if you can't see it in this, look for the Greek knot video. So now here, you have to measure it around your head or anyone's head to get an idea. I use my table, which is about maybe 2.5 feet, one length of the table, and then another. You have to have, I think, maybe at least 4, maybe 5 or 6 inches for the Greek knot itself, because you have to wrap it around. So I'm going to show you right now. What I like to do, I don't have my scissors, my leather scissors out, so I like to make it like this and make it. Oh, it's already done. So we're gonna put it in like this, and then put the other side in. Simple, I know. It's ridiculous that I have to explain this to you, because you probably already know what I want to try to get to. Okay, this is such a. I'm so happy with this. I hope my customer's gonna love it. His name is Malachi, and at the Lincoln Road show on Miami Beach, South Beach, last Sunday. We are at this video is being recorded when? Friday the 17th. So it was last Sunday, and he asked me to make him some malachite pieces, something to bring good luck and good energy, and I think this is going to do it. Because I'm also, as you know, I'm into crystals and all that stuff. My mother was a white witch. She was fantastic. So you want to get it together, pull it as even as you can. I think this is good. Okay, let me try before the video gets to be like too long to upload or download. I don't know. Remember, I'm 64. I don't sound it. I know I don't sound it. And I'm a baby at heart. And Lucy is a baby at heart that keeps me so entertained. When I came back from the kitchen just now, of course, this piece was on the floor. Okay, so you get a good amount. I'm going to do 1, 2. This is just about right. Okay. Keep it big. Keep it nice and big, so you can put your leather through. I've said before that a policeman, my friend, a young, fresh out of school policeman, and I was teaching his sister to make jewelry, came up from. I lived in Vicenza, Italy. He was down south, way down south in Pescara. And he taught me how to do it. And I love it. I've been using it ever since. So this is very short. Usually, well, I'm going to keep it like this. Now, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Roll the knot. Pull. Okay, check. Check. And so you're gonna in time, when you've done this enough, you can figure out what to pull. Like if you pull this, you're gonna make this tighter, and this is the difficult one to realize which one. So this turns into this, And if you want it longer, you just gotta push it and do it. Okay. This will be a long video. I don't care. I just want to make sure everyone gets this. That looks really good. Now again, I don't know. I'm left-handed, so this one always gives me trouble. Okay, so I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3. That's good. Okay. And you can do 3 if you want, 3 times around. Sometimes with the real thinner cord, like the round 1 millimeter cord or 2 millimeter cord, I do 3. 3 looks very pretty, but with this thick cord, you don't want to do that. Here we go. Pull. Pull. Oh, that feels so good to do it. I'm sorry. I just love it. And then roll, 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 roll. Make it nice. You can oil it. You know what's nice also is Renaissance wax from Rio Grande, or any kind of like leather lubricant, even a wood, um, not a stain, but a wood lubricant. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it. Make sure you got it. Okay, that looks really good. And then you can trim this if you want. This is pretty long. Long is good though, so you don't want to make this too short, because but then over time they do like fall into place and they never change. But with use, sometimes it does come apart. I mean, years of use, and that's it. And don't ever go further than 1 finger away. Please, you need to be able to get your finger in there to lengthen. And here comes Lucy. What are you up to, Luce? Oops. There she is.